Hey, I'm Kiki, and today's masterclass for content creators is specifically about how to get invited to events and the importance of networking. Living in a big city like New York, it is very important to incorporate any hashtags that will help brands be able to recognize you more. Something more detailed, like a NYC content creator or NYC influencer. If you live somewhere surrounding the biggest city, you will also be able to use those hashtags and likely get invited to events as well. I touched on the importance of hashtags in my last video, and I'll be sure to link it down below. I started my content creator journey as a skincare influencer. With the skincare career, I have been invited to so many events, even brands you wouldn't even think of, like Amazon influencer program. Like, stop it. Although I have transitioned into a different niche, I still film skincare videos from time to time, just simply as a hobby because I love it oh so much. However, you can't miss out on these opportunities. All you have to do is just be consistent. Use your hashtags, consistently post, and the brands will reach out. Promise. Today's event is hosted by Banish, and we will be having a Cowboy Carter theme. Love to see it. Let's go. Skincare event with a Cowboy Carter theme. Count me in. Banish had this lovely event at Open Jar Studios, and we were dancing to Beyonce, and we were getting it, girl. Felt like I was auditioning. Beyonce better hire me for the tour at this point. I had so much fun. Thank you, Banish. It is so important as a content creator to network. It's not even funny. Putting yourself out there is the key to success. That's in regards to posting and networking. You have no choice but to put yourself out there. You have to be consistent. You have to show up for people, because how is anybody supposed to show up for you, you know? When I attend events, I truly make sure that I'm at least speaking to one person that is a part of the company. If it's not necessarily the owner, then at least a brand manager or somebody that's there to represent the brand, as well as at least one girly. It's nothing wrong with exchanging Instagrams and meeting one of the girls, and possibly that could be your new BFF. If you're an introvert or get awkward in public spaces, you have to face your fears, babes. It's the only way. Think of it as a stepping stone towards your career. Think of it as one step closer towards your goals, because if you don't face your fears, you may never know what can happen. Try some icebreakers, like what's your name, what are your socials, and what do you do? That's always a great starter. And then, depending on how the conversation goes, you could carry on from there, or just simply walk away from the person and do it again to someone else. Another tip when speaking to somebody from the brand, just make sure that you get some sort of email from someone, even if it's just simply to thank them for inviting you to the event. That will get you the recognition, and it's also very courteous to just give a good thank you. Class is over. Comment below and ask me anything that you would want in regard to this event, or just any tips or advice that I may have. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep up with me. Thank you for watching. See you next video.